One website that I have just recently got introduced to is called Khan Academy. Now, what this is, it offers outside practice exercises, instructional videos, and a personalized dashboard that allows students to get that exercise outside of class. So if they're not quite understanding a video or a concept, they can come to this website and they can get extra practice with it. So here I'm going to log in because I've already signed up, and I will continue with my school one. This is geared more towards teachers. The teachers can then give assignments to students, or students can go back and do this on their own. So here I've created my classroom, and once I get my students this year, I'll have them come and sign in. Once you get here, you can search for courses, skills, or videos that you want to show. So one thing we do is we add and subtract fractions with unlike denominators. So I'm going to go here, and there are different videos that you can choose to show your students. So I'm going to go back and click on the first one. Now here, it shows the videos, and then it gives the kids practice. So it shows the video, so this one visually adding fractions, visually subtracting fractions, and then it gives the kids practice. What I like about this is there's conversations, so other people have asked questions or they respond to other people's questions. So I will click on the practice so you can see what that looks like. Now here it gives you a problem, 3/10 plus 2/5. So once they've watched the videos, they will understand that they have to find a common denominator first, and then they will go through and solve the problems. So here, they would find that the common denominator is 10, and then they would change this 5 over here to a 10, multiplied 5 times 2 to get 10, so then they'd have to multiply 2 times 2 as well. So we find that it converts to 4/10. So 3/10 plus 4/10 is 7/10. So we'll try it and see if we get it. Okay, so then once they do that, they go to the next question, and so on and so on. This one they subtract. So then they'll find that the common denominator is 6, convert this, and then solve. So then they will go to the next one. And here it shows them how to actually solve the problem. This guy walks step by step on how to solve the problem. And then you get practice. And then once you do this, you can go to the next lesson. So this is a really cool tool. You can either do it as an opening or a closing in your class. I wouldn't necessarily say it's a substitute for a lesson, but I say it's extra work for those students who maybe aren't getting it, or you can assign those students who are getting it extra practice. So it's a really cool tool to use. Now it's not just math, you can do other subjects as well. So I will come up here and let's see if it does capitalization. So then common and proper nouns, let's go to that. So it tells you, it goes through common and proper nouns, and then it gives you practice. So I love that it's not just math. I love that you can do all sorts of things on here. So it's a good supplemental to use in your class, again, for those students who are struggling, or for those students who are succeeding and just need some, not extra work, but work that'll kind of challenge them a little more. So that's Khan Academy. You can connect it to your Google Classroom. You can assign lessons. You have your kids have them due by a certain day. You can give them 5 points, 10 points, however much you want to do it. But this is a really great tool to use in your classroom.